Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian, yesterday I was saying that I thought it was going to potentially go up at least one more time, but looking at it again, I'm starting to think that this really is a complete three-way pattern. We were expecting this to be a wave wide. A wave wide should be an ABC, and this is definitely stretching out to the point where it doesn't really match this move up anymore. So if this really is the end of a WXY, then it's actually now on the 4-hour time frame going to start a trend to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. So going down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on just this move. A break of this low right here, if it breaks and holds with momentum, that should confirm the end of a pattern like I was showing on the 4-hour time frame. Now there is still a chance that if respects to 78% goes up and breaks structure, and if it does, I would definitely take it as a bullish signal. But looking at the pattern, looking at other dollar pairs, there's a good chance that it is going to go down, break structure, confirming that the end of the wave Y has already been completed. So anyways, don't forget to take a look at my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.